Everyone is using AI tools like ChatGPT for content, but here's the problem: most people still don't know what to create, how to structure content, or how to stay consistent. So I tested MasterMind AI to see if it actually solves that problem better. Let's compare real quick. With tools like ChatGPT, you still need to prompt everything, you need experience, you need structure, and beginners struggle here. That's where MasterMind AI tries to be different. Instead of just generating content, it tries to guide you. MasterMind AI is designed as a all-in-one content execution tool, meaning ideas, right pointing arrow scripts, right pointing arrow structure, right pointing arrow execution, all in one place. No complicated setup. Here's what it does quickly: generates content ideas instantly, builds scripts based on those ideas, gives structure for posting, helps you stay consistent. It's more of a system than just a tool. Here's how I used it. Entered my niche, got multiple content ideas, picked one, generated script, created content. What I noticed: less thinking, faster execution, more clarity. This is where it beats most tools. Let's be honest, ChatGPT, powerful, flexible, but requires skill. MasterMind AI, simpler, structured, beginner-friendly. So the real difference is ChatGPT equals tool, MasterMind AI equals guided system. This tool is best for beginners, people stuck on ideas, content creators who overthink, affiliate marketers. It helps you move faster. But keep this in mind: you still need to edit content, not as advanced as pro tools, won't make money automatically. You still need to put in the work. If you're choosing between doing everything manually or using a guided AI system, then MasterMind AI is a solid starting point, especially if you're struggling with consistency. Try MasterMind AI by clicking the link in description if you're stuck and not posting consistently. This can help you take action faster.